Hi, everybody. I'm Amy Claire Mercury, and I'm the registered dietitian working with the USA Wheelchair Rugby team. Today, I'm going to show you how to make some of my favorite blueberry muffins that comes from a pre-made mix. So it's pretty easy, but it has whole grain wheat flour and a little bit of extra protein in the punch. So why don't we get started? So this recipe is really easy. It only has 4 simple ingredients. The first is this Kodiak Cakes pre-made muffin mix. So again, it has 100% whole wheat flour as the primary ingredient, the little extra protein in the mix, and it has a blueberry flavoring inside as well. It then asks for 1/3 cup of oil, which I'm using canola oil because that is what I have on hand. You can use vegetable oil or corn oil perfectly fine. I'm doing 2 eggs and then 1 cup of milk. I'm using 2% regular cow's milk, but you can use pretty much any type of milk that you would want. Let's get mixing. So this mix makes about 12 muffins. I lined my muffins with a muffin tin. You don't necessarily have to do that, but I think it's easy cleanup. And you'll bake this on a preheated oven of 375 for about 15 to 18 minutes. Here are our completed muffins. They look so good. So I ended up cooking these for about 17 minutes on 375. They're nice and done. I'm going to let them sit and cool on this cooling rack for about the next 5 minutes before I take them out of the pan. So here's our final muffin products. It'd be a really great recovery snack if you had one of these with a glass of milk. Could be a great idea. You could also do this as part of breakfast with some fruit and yogurt, possibly a couple of scrambled eggs and a piece of fruit or a glass of milk could be a great addition. Quick and easy on the go eating. Enjoy!